How to change your username in Roblox for free. First, open up the Safari and open up roblox.com contact us support webpage. Here you will have plenty of information to put in. As asked, put in your first name, email address and confirm your email address. And then here you have a section called issue details. Select the device you are working on and then the type of help category. You can use user safety concern and inappropriate experience or user behavior, or you can also use age-based settings and account with parental privileges and choose adjust child privacy and security settings. In the description of issue, write this message where your child accidentally used his real name as his Roblox username and you're concerned about his safety. After this, a few days later, you will receive an email where you will have the procedure to change the username. And this is how you can easily change your username in Roblox for free. We hope this tutorial helped you. Thank you for watching and do subscribe to our channel for more such useful videos.